Hello, Namaskar, Adab, and welcome everyone to this channel called Psychology Daily. My name is Ayush Chandra. I teach people how to overcome fears, anxiety, phobias, and social inhibitions. Now, in today's video, I am going to talk about what are the psychological therapies that can help people to overcome their fear mindset and how to exactly convert to a growth mindset. And this video is specially dedicated to my people who live outside our country. And why this is especially for expats? Why is this for NRIs? Because I'm going to talk about the issues that these people face when they come to therapy with me. In people who are Indians and they are living outside India in different countries, especially my patients are from Dubai, Saudi, Qatar, Canada, Vancouver, all of these places, even UK, Ireland, all of these people. So when my brothers and sisters, they are going through a mental health crisis, their mental health concerns are actually very different from somebody who is living in India. Why is that so? This is because of a simple fact that when you live outside the country, the environment changes. And mental health is directly related to biopsychosocial aspects of a person's life, which means that सारे के सारे मेंटल हेल्थ के लिए कंपोनेंट्स इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाते हैं. बायोलॉजिकल कंपोनेंट मतलब खाना पीना, नींद, जो आपकी फिजिकल कंफर्ट्स हैं, फिजिकल नीड्स हैं आपकी. फिर आता है साइकोलॉजिकल, जिसमें आता है आपका मूड, आपके इमोशंस, आपका स्ट्रेस लेवल्स, ये सब आता है उसमें, आपका इंटरेस्ट, आपकी एनर्जी, साइकोलॉजिकल. तीसरा आता है सोशल एस्पेक्ट, वेयर इन वी हैव टू टॉक अबाउट सोशल यानी कि कल्चरल, आसपास का एनवायरनमेंट, दैट्स कॉल्ड सोशल एस्पेक्ट. ये तीनों चीज़ें प्लस एक और जो मुझे पर्सनली ऐड करने में सही लगता है, एंड आई ऐड दैट ऑलवेज, आई मेक इट वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट, एंड दैट इज स्पिरिचुअल एंगल, स्पिरिचुअल और रिलीजियस, वट एवर यू कॉल इट. नाउ दीज आर 3 to 4 एस्पेक्ट्स विच determines a person's mental health. And when we are living outside our homeland, all of these factors actually, without your own will, changes automatically. And why do they change? Why are they different? Of course, because we are not an individual who have been born and brought up in that environment. हम वहाँ पे पले बड़े नहीं हैं. अब हम वहाँ पे जब पले बड़े नहीं हैं लेकिन हम वहाँ चले गए हैं, तो ऐसा तो नहीं कि मेरे अंदर मेंटल हेल्थ क्राइसिस नहीं होगा, ऐसा तो नहीं कि मुझे मेंटल हेल्थ की समस्या नहीं आएगी. वी वुड गो थ्रू ऑल द अप्स एंड डाउन्स विच एनीबडी ऑन द प्लैनेट वुड गो थ्रू, बट द ट्रीटमेंट plays a very important role. And people who are living outside and watching this video, you may be aware about these issues which I am going to talk about, but nobody addresses them. I want to focus on them because I have been in your place. I treat people who come and who connect with me from outside India. Now, what are the issues? See, number one, when you go outside, there are certain factors which become very important for a person. Number one is settling in that country, in that place. And how would you settle? Settlement के लिए आपको चाहिए financial stability. Financial stability कहाँ से आएगी? It will come from the job or business, whatever you are into. और किसी भी जॉब को या बिजनेस को होल्ड करने के लिए एक इंसान को सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट क्या चाहिए? सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चाहिए पीस ऑफ माइंड, एक क्लैरिटी इन माइंड, एक फोकस, एक कंसंट्रेशन, एक डेडिकेशन, एक कंसिस्टेंसी चाहिए. इफ योर मेंटल हेल्थ इज नॉट वर्किंग रियली वेल, इट्स गोइंग टू रिफ्लेक्ट इन योर जॉब, इन योर बिजनेस, इन एवरीथिंग. अगर मेरी मेंटल हेल्थ अफेक्टेड है बिकॉज ऑफ एनी फोबिया, एनी स्लीप इश्यूज, एनी फियर, डिप्रेशन, OCD, एंजाइटी, पैनिक अटैक्स, एनीथिंग ऑन दोज लाइन्स, ओके, एंड आई एम यूजुअली टॉकिंग अबाउट न्यूरोटिक स्पेक्ट्रम की बात कर रहे हैं, डिप्रेशन, एंजाइटी, फोबिया, OCD, ऑल ऑफ दोज थिंग्स. नाउ दीज थिंग्स कैन हैपन टू एनीबडी, बट व्हेन इट हैपन टू यू, व्हाई? नंबर वन, बिकॉज द चेंज ऑफ एनवायरनमेंट डज पुट प्रेशर ऑन समबडीज माइंड. अब वहाँ पे गया हूँ, सेटल करना है, अपने परिवार को रखना है, खुद रहना है, रोटी कपड़ा मकान, एवरीथिंग नीड टू बी इन प्लेस. And when you are doing that, environmental pressure is on your mind, that increases your susceptibility, your vulnerability to develop any kind of mental health concern. Mental health concern actually एक major reason होता है stress. Environmental stress is one of the major reasons for mental health concerns of any kind. तो जब आप बाहर जा रहे हो तो ऑटोमेटिकली इन्वायरमेंट आपके ऊपर एक प्रेशर डाल रहा है, आपकी कंडीशंस आपके ऊपर एक प्रेशर डाल रही है, तो आप जल्दी ब्रेक डाउन होने के लिए बहुत ससेप्टेबल हो जाते हो, वल्नरेबल स्टेट में आ जाते हो। जब आप चलो कर लेते हो, आप जिस तरह से अपनी ज़िंदगी को खींच रहे हो, नाउ वंस यू आर सेटल्ड, वंस यू आर हैविंग अ रूफ ऑन योर हेड, you also have a job and business, but to run that smoothly you need clarity, but clarity would be hampered, focus would be hampered if your mindset is not well. Now when the mindset takes a hit, जब डिप्रेशन हो जाता है, एंग्जाइटी हो जाता है, ओसीडी हो जाता है, चाहे वो आपको हो चाहे आपके फैमिली मेंबर को हो, it is a kind of problem which affects everyone in the family. And if you are watching this, you must be aware about this. No matter it's happening to you or your wife or your son or your daughter or your husband, your wife, anybody in your vicinity, it will impact your lifestyle, it will impact your way of working, it will impact your progress, your growth. तो जब आपको इम्पैक्ट होता है या आपको भी डायरेक्टली हो गया हो मेंटल हेल्थ कंसर्न, तो इम्पैक्ट तो होगा। अब इम्पैक्ट होगा जॉब और बिजनेस पे, तो फाइनेंसेस लड़खड़ाएंगे, तो माई pressure will increase more, and increased pressure will in turn make my condition worse. So understand that it's a full cycle. Now the main point being, when these mental health concerns happen, what would a person do, or what would family do? They would ask the person to visit a professional, maybe family doctor, or avail the government services. Now यहाँ तक भी बात समझ में आती है, बट यहाँ तक आते आते भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें बिखर गई होती हैं, बहुत सारी इफेक्ट हो गया होता है। नाउ वंस यू गो, नंबर वन, यू आर अवेयर ऑफ द फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लम, दैट you cannot get appointments there. That's the major concern. The appointment date is not immediate, and you are suffering right now. Appointment date is like 3 months, 4 months, away from here. Now in those 3 months, your mental health is suffering, and not just your mental health, everything else is also falling down. The graph is falling down. So how would you manage those 3 months? That's the number one problem. Number two, if you think of going to a private practitioner, a private psychologist or therapist, that is extremely costly. Why? Because you are not a person who is just living the life and you're just living on air. You have to feed your family, you have to provide the food, clothes and shelter. Now all those finances जो कि पहले से ही crumble हो रहे हैं, they will be impacted even more. So you have to go to a private practitioner. Now chalo, let me assume that you are a well established and well versed with money, you don't have any problem with that. Now when you go to a therapist, then the real and the major concern which I want to share arise. And what's that? First of all, you will get a foreigner psychologist. Now the problem क्या है आयुष? Problem ये है कि most of you, when you go to them, it's not about they are good or not. The main problem is that they do not understand your upbringing, your culture, your family dynamics. So they would give you their perspective from their angle. And mostly when I see, these are my friends, my colleagues कह लो आप, ये acquaintance जो है मेरे, they are from all across the world. So I have my psychologist friend who are Africans, who are Latins, and who are from Middle East. All of these people I know. So now these people who are good psychological knowledge they have, but the problem is when they apply it. Psychology is not the bookish thing. Psychology is something which you apply to a human life. एंड अगर मुझे समझ के चलो, आप मान लो मेरे पास इंडिया का लाइसेंस है, मैं कैसे ड्राइव करूंगा किसी और कंट्री के अंदर? या चलो मेरे पास अगर गाड़ी चलाने का लाइसेंस है, मैं हेलीकॉप्टर थोड़ी उड़ा सकता हूँ। तो इवन चलो आप कहोगे गाड़ी से एडवांस होता है हेलीकॉप्टर, अगर मुझे गाड़ी चलाने का लाइसेंस भी है तो भी हो सकता है कि मैं एक हॉर्स राइडिंग ना कर पाऊँ, या मैं एक बलक कार्ट ना चला पाऊँ, या मैं एक मोपेड ड्राइव ना कर पाऊँ। That's the problem. They are trained in psychological books, psychological therapies, but they do not know how to apply it on my population. That's the problem. And the same problem I will face when I will see their patients. And that's why I refrain myself. In very few cases I take. Okay. Now that happens. Now you go to them, you spend money also, you take your, go and spend your time also. But at the end of the day, the psychological approach which these people have is very slow, very soft. They just listen more. They don't talk much. And it's a fact. I'm not saying they're good or bad. This is what their approach is. हर एक इंसान की, हर एक प्रोफेशनल की अलग अप्रोच होगी. Their approach is slow and soft. But as far as I understand my people, we need a faster approach. We need a more robust approach. कोई ढंग से बताए, गाइड करे बाहर कैसे निकलना है. Not that just I listen to you and it goes on and on and on and on. It doesn't happen like that. We need concrete solution, a roadmap, a blueprint, because we don't want to spend so much time. We don't have so much time to waste, and it is definitely going to cost you time and money both. Efforts भी लगेंगे आपके. So that is what the problem is. Now अब time भी कितने सारे लोग. I'll tell you a story, small simple story. A person came to me. He was in his 40s. He said, "Sir Ayush, I was going to this psychologist. I spent so XYZ amount. Spent like 3 months with this therapist. I am still feeling that I'm at zero." Like why? Like Ayush, सारे sessions में they were just listening to me, trying to push me almost कि talk about your traumas. कई बार traumas नहीं होते. कई बार मेरे पास वो bandwidth ही नहीं है कि I go there. But ऐसा लगता है गाड़ी आगे ही नहीं बढ़ रही है. So I need a faster approach. I need somebody who can understand my problem. When they hear about certain concepts that we Indians have, we Asians have, they get freaked out कि अरे ये तो trauma है. Maybe it's not a trauma. It's just a normal event for us. Okay? So think about that. ये चीज़ आप मत अपने साथ होने दो. The best way is you choose a therapist. चाहे आप वहाँ करो, चाहे आप मुझसे थेरेपी करो, but you choose a therapist who understand your culture. Okay, your upbringing, your lifestyle, they understand your life ka past, present and future. Okay, that would be a best approach. Now when these people come to take therapy from me, my approach is completely going to be different. They see results then and they're like, Ayush, itne time tak therapy liya, how come we were not getting any results? Ab kya ho gaya? See, there's no magic happening here. The problem is that you were going to a person who was not relatable to you, or you were not relatable to him. It's not about the knowledge of book. They can be a gold medalist in their country or their culture, but psychology is not books. Okay, we have to talk. There are emotions, thoughts, feelings, environment, culture, spirituality, my religion, the way we are grown up. It's all different, and that all matters in psychology. The relationship between you and me would matter. तो वो चीज़ करना है, आपको समझना पड़ेगा कि राइट डायरेक्शन में एफर्ट लो. एफर्ट सिर्फ लेने से कुछ नहीं होता. एक और चीज़ मैं आपको बता दूं कि मेडिसिन का भी एक बड़ा ख़राब सा रोल है. इवन इफ़ यू गो ऑन मेडिसिन, ठीक है, मेडिसिन का तो हर एक इंसान जानता है कि दे वुड हैव सम साइड इफ़ेक्ट्स, एंड अगर साइड इफ़ेक्ट्स होंगे तो आपकी जॉब और बिजनेस तो फिर भी इम्पेयर होगा ही ना, फिर भी आपका बोझ तो बढ़ ही रहा है. एंड इवन इफ यू डोंट हैव साइड इफ़ेक्ट्स, दीज मेडिसिन एक्चुअली कीप गोइंग ऑन एंड ऑन एंड ऑन, एंड ब्रेन डेवलप्स एन एडिक्शन अबाउट इट. And that's also one of the case which I see. Like people come to me and say, Ayush, मैं इस दवाई के बिना सो ही नहीं पाता हूँ. I'm on sleeping pills from XYZ years. And then I tell them why. तो कोई इलाज ही नहीं है. लेकिन इलाज है, आपको मिला नहीं शायद अभी तक इलाज. तो इलाज है to go through psychotherapy which is Indianized, which is cultural, relevant to the culture. ये सारी वेस्टर्न थेरेपीज जो हैं, CBT, ERP, ACT, ये सब चीज़ें, ये सब आधे से ज़्यादा बाहर डेवलप हुई हैं वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज़ में. तो हमें जब इसको अपने लोगों पे अप्लाई करना पड़ता है, अपने एशियंस पे अप्लाई करना पड़ता है, आई हैव टू इंडियनाइज इट, एंड वी हैव लर्नड इन इंडियनाइज्ड वे. यहाँ पे बहुत कम लोग हैं जो एक ग्लोबल लेवल पर अंडरस्टैंडिंग रखते हैं, बट देर आर फ्यू गुड पीपल. And I really want you not to waste your time, not to waste your money, not to waste your effort. Not that these people around you, foreigner psychologists, are bad or something. They're very good in their domains. But please, you need to understand, it's not medicine. कि आप पैरासीटामोल वहाँ खाओ या इंडिया में खाओ बुखार उतर जाएगा. It's a relational therapy. You need to connect to your therapist. If that's not happening, it's not going to work out, no matter how much money or time you spend there. So this was an awareness video for you, all of you who are living outside India, NRIs, expats, all of you, right? आप हो, आपके घर वाले हैं, आपके माँ बाप हैं, या आपके बच्चे हैं who are supposed to study in college and going to school, but they are suffering with some kind of problem. They won't be able to relate to those psychologists, and if they are not able to relate, if you are not seeing the results, it's not a bad decision to take another consultation from somebody who understand your point of view, your culture, your way of living. Then you will probably see the results. So do that and keep beating your fears like a pro.